Hey, good morning, pot pickers. Today is Thursday, and I'm just going to make a very quick video. It'll be a progress video. You'll notice that yesterday, you didn't get a car video. You only had that press brake, metal bending machine video. And I just want to explain why and where we are with this. So, last time we worked on the Austin, Howard and Dave came round and we managed to get this corner out. And we decided to replace the front panel. We needed to get this corner out. And this is so much as where we left it. I haven't done any more than that. So come this weekend, it'll be nearly 2 weeks since I've worked on it. Now, there's a couple of reasons for this. I haven't got the replacement panel for that, and it will need replacing. It's something I'll need to order. But when I order panels, I get charged postage. And at some point, we're going to need to replace the outer sill and the inner sill on the driver's side. So it seems daft just ordering this little panel when we need a few more panels in the future. We're also going to need to turn the car around to work on this side, which brings me on to another point. The two daily cars we've got, my wife's got a car and I've got a car, are both due the annual service, and I'm going to need the ramp for it. Now, while the Austin looks okay sat on here, it's a bit of a job to get it on and off. It's sort of, at the minimum, an hour to get it on and off. So this weekend, I don't think I'm going to get opportunity again to work on the Austin. But please don't think that the videos have done. They've not. It's just that I've got other priorities at the moment. So just to recap, we are still working on it. I need to order some more panels to sort of get that corner done. And while I'm at it, to save on the postage, I'm going to order an inner sill and outer sill for this side. We also need to work out what that corner looks like. Judging by the amount of filler in there, I would suggest that we probably need to do something about that too. So, please bear with me. I've not finished. I am dead busy. I'm dead keen to get on it, but I've got other priorities just at the moment. Yeah. Anyway, thank you so much for all your support. We've got I think we've got 460 subscribers. My wife has promised me a party at 500. And I'm really looking forward to that. Let's see if we can get there before Christmas. And I'll see you very soon, I promise.